Hi friends! Look at these guys, they're so big. Alright, so how old are they now? 7 weeks old? Well, they go home next weekend. I know you guys are really excited. Look at them running. Okay, so this is the chocolate litter only. I know it's hard to track your puppy when we have all the puppies together, so wanted to do a litter, a video of just this litter, just our chocolate litter. But wow, look how beautiful they are, guys. And they're a lot of fun, and they're exploring. So they spend the day out here in the puppy playpen as long as the weather permits, when it warms up enough, and if it's not raining. Uh-oh, no bite. And then they sleep inside. And so they get a wagon ride every day, which they do really good. Get a squeaky toy, honey? There we go. Let's see what they think about that. Somebody's in the doggy house playing with something. I'm not sure which one it is. Uh-oh. They're eating David. Ah! Oh no, David's getting eaten by puppies. Oh, there's a puppy stick. Oh my goodness, silly puppy. Don't worry, he'll get out. All right, friends, so we just wanted to let you see your guys playing, and we're looking forward to seeing you next weekend. Oh, little puppy fell asleep in the doghouse. Watch out, David. I'm zooming in. Don't wake him up. He's too cute. What a cutie patootie. Which one is it, David? The one that's sleeping?
Is there a black one?
Yeah.
That one?
Oh, okay. That's Mr. Brody. Alrighty. Oh, and the puppy, did the puppy get unstuck? That was over there? Okay, good. Silly puppies. They're so fuzzy and chubby that it's hard to see their collars. but I hope you guys enjoy watching them run around and attack Mr. David. All right, have a good day, guys. Bye.